You will love the features of this 2021 Nissan Versa. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a tech-savvy Nissan Versa, the sleek four-door sedan that leverages a suite of standard driver assist features and touchscreen infotainment to keep you safe and connected. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, alarm, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, traction control. Don't miss the chance to drive this safe and stylish Versa. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.